Hi friends, this is Lake Ray with the First Coast Manufacturers Association. Once again, I want to thank you for your support, your encouragement of our association as we move forward to a very exciting 2019. I hope that you'll spend some time this year following us in our newsletter. Look at FCMAvoice.com. It's a chance for you to hear what we're doing. We've got a large legislative agenda that we'll be working on. Come and visit with us, be a part of our association as we move forward. It's going to be our usual programming. Of course, being in Tallahassee, we'll be there on March 27th and 28th. I hope you'll plan to be a part of that. And of course, we'll have our Excellence in Manufacturing, where we recognize our members and their workers throughout the year. So if you will, please take a look. We encourage you to be a part of our association and the activities that we have. Thanks again for everything, and let's have a great year.